Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. So today I have shown this no makeup look. This is very easy to create. You will just need 5 minutes to do this makeup, and this is very easy. And yeah, this video is big because I have just explained everything in detail, and yeah, that is what it is. So without me further blabbering, just let's start. And this look is very easy. You can even turn this look into a very glamorous look by applying a blush and just changing your lipstick color. So yeah, that is that. So without wasting any more time, just watch my video, and this video will be a very helpful, I think so, for my college going girls, for anyone who goes to office or anything. But now everything is closed, I know, but because of the lockdown, but still we have to attend Zoom calls also. So this would be also like useful. If you are attending a Zoom call, you can just do it in 5 minutes and then attend your Zoom call. So that's it. I hope I have made a long intro, so let's start. So at first I would be using this Pond's Light Moisturizer, and this moisturizer is very good. I love this moisturizer. I would just take a generous amount of moisturizer and put this all over my face and neck, and I would just then massage it. Moisturizing is very important. You can have oily skin, dry skin, combination skin, or any skin type, but you should moisturize because moisturizing is very important. So I've done applying the moisturizer all over my face, and then I would let it sit on my skin for about 5 minutes, maximum 10 minutes, and then I would start with my makeup. So now what this step does is like it would just give your skin time to just soak everything, and then you can start with your makeup. Now you can just apply your moisturizer and just tie your hair or pack your bags or do anything. Usually I used to do this when I used to go to my college. Now for about then the corona outbreak came, and now I don't go to college, but still this is a makeup look that I swear by and I do whenever I'm going out. Now though it's better to stay home, so usually I don't go out. So but still this is a makeup look that's very easy, and I know people who love to do makeup if they are feeling bad, especially if I am also that type of person who loves to do makeup if they are feeling bad. Makeup is therapeutic, and like basically I love doing makeup. So whenever I'm feeling bad or something has happened that I'm not liking, so I would just do makeup and it would just make my mood good. So that is what I hope I have made some sense while talking this. So because I usually go crazy when I am talking sometimes, so please pardon me for that. Now I would apply moisturizer. For usually I don't use moisturizer on daily basis, but today I have other things to shoot also, so I have to use this primer. This primer, I'm using this primer from Blue Heaven. I have also used the Nykaa's Prep Me Up face primer. My other at first I have started with that primer only, but then I also got this primer. This primer is also very good. This is a silicone based primer. You need very little amount of primer. This much will do, because usually I don't use this on every day, but today I have other things to shoot also, so I have to keep my makeup for a longer time. So because I have to shoot some videos I have to shoot some reels, I have to shoot some other videos, IGTVs and all. So that's why I am using primer. From daily basis I don't use primer, so you can skip this if you want. But if you are comfortable using this and if you want your makeup to be very long lasting, then this is a good option. Like using primer is a very good option for every day. If you are doing any job that requires you to stay for 8 hours and all, like 9 to 5 job, if you are doing it, so you can use primer and it will just not make your makeup cakey. So you can use a primer on daily basis if you want to, but I don't use Personal choice. You can do anything. Now, I would use this Pond's BB cream on daily basis. I don't use foundation. I don't use concealer. I don't use anything. You can use a BB or a CC, anything you have. Now, concealers are also well. If you want to use concealer instead of this BB cream, you can use it. That's up to you what you want to use. Now, this is the Pond's White Beauty BB cream, all-in-one fairness cream. This also has a SPF of 30, and this is good. I have been using this for quite a long time. Like, it's almost over. It's almost over. Like, it's there, no? Yeah, it's there. So I would not take too much. I'm just taking this much, and now I would just take a mirror and I would just apply this under my eyes. So, and then I would just blend it. On daily basis, I don't use any brush for applying my BB cream. I just use my fingers to apply it. So then I would just apply it on my whole eyes, like basically to hide my dark circles. So I would just apply it. Would be doing the same thing on this eye. So would be fast forwarding this part because I don't want you guys to get bored. So just applying the BB cream on my dark circles so that they won't be visible. So that's fine. So then I would just apply little bit where I have like pimple marks and a little darkness. I have a little darkness on my around my mouth, so I would just apply there, and I would just apply this. I would just blend these with the help of my hands. I'm not using any tools. Basically, I have the leftover and I'm just applying it all over my face. So that gives a sheer coverage. Taking a little bit and just applying it on my neck so that it doesn't look different. So just apply it with the help of my fingers only. So done with blending, and one thing that I want to show you कि my imperfections are just peeking out. See, here I don't want to just cover it together totally because it should look like skin like, not you have wore a lot of makeup. If you are comfortable wearing a full face of makeup every day, that's up to you. I personally don't do that, but I love makeup. It's up to you. Now some days I also do full face of makeup, but on every day it's not possible because I am very lazy to do full face of makeup every day. So that's why it's up to you. If you are comfortable using full face of makeup every day, that is very cool. So do what you love. Then I would just apply my compact powder. So I used to use this Lakme Perfect Radiance compact powder. I have just completely used it. Completely. Not a single, nothing is left. See, nothing is left. So I just got my hands on this Fit Me one, and this shade is Warm Nude. I would just write everything in the description box so you can check it out. This is a Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Powder. This is a compact powder. This compact powder is good. I have used this. So the puff which came with this powder, I didn't like that puff, so I don't use that. If you like that puff, you can use it. So I'm using a brush. Otherwise, how will I apply it? Like with Lakme, the puff which comes, I use that puff only, but with it, the puff I didn't like. So just taking it, just swirling the brush once and then tapping off the excess, and then I would just first apply this on my under eyes so that my under eyes doesn't crease, because our under eyes would crease very fast. So just applying the powder at first on my under eyes, and I would just apply it. Wait, applying it. applying it properly. And then I would just set my T-zone. I have a combination skin type, so I'm setting my T-zone. And if you are dry skin, you can even go without the powder also, because the dry skin people doesn't get oil, don't get oil on the T-zone. I'm super oily on my T-zone. My T-zone literally gives me a dewy effect. So like sometimes people think, yeah, I have done a dewy makeup after some time, because people don't know that I am from a combination skin type, and they think, yeah, I have done makeup, dewy makeup, but that's not something that I do. My face only turns dewy after some time. So you can tell it a blessing also or a curse also, anything you want. So just applying the powder all over my face and neck, and then I would just meet you after applying. Now one thing that I want to tell, on daily basis, sometimes I don't use the powder all over my face, but you are good to go if you want to use this on all over your face, and this is full coverage. This gives a very good coverage, so I personally love this powder, and I have just started using this powder, and I just love how much coverage it gives. So I would highly recommend this powder to you guys, so you can check it out. This is available in Nykaa, purple.com, even Flipkart. Amazon also has this. No? Maybelline is available in Flipkart and Nykaa as well, so you can check that over there. So this is the base makeup, and then I would just jump on my eyebrows. So I haven't got my eyebrows kit and all over here, so I'm just getting it and we'll be meeting you. Okay, so I am back guys, and जाने से पहले मैंने बोला था कि मैं आईब्रो किट लाने जा रही हूँ, पर मेरे पास कोई आईब्रो किट नहीं है अभी तक। मैं यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ कोई आईब्रो किट। सो आई यूज़ मेकअप रेवोल्यूशन सॉफ्ट एक्स पैलेट का ये ब्लैक शेड। मेरा ये पैलेट जो था ना, ये है ना, इसका ये पूरा खुल गया, ऐसा हो गया, उसलिए इट्स like that, so don't mind. So at first I would just take a spoolie and just brush my eyebrows, so that अगर कोई भी प्रोडक्ट होगा ना इसका जो हमने लगाया अभी, बीबी क्रीम पाउडर कुछ भी होगा तो निकल के आ जाएगा, और इसके लिए हमें शेप देना भी बहुत ईजी हो जाएगा. सो आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग इन हिंदी. Going crazy today, so please just don't judge. So now I would just take this black shade which I have shown, and I would take this flat brush. I would just take the little bit. You can use a brown, light brown, not light brown, dark brown shade if you want, but I prefer black because my hair is also black. So, and yeah, I've also tied my hair neatly because I was looking a lot messier, so that's why I thought of tying my hair. So I just tied it, and I would just fill my brows, filling the sparse areas, not too much. We'll be doing a detailed eyebrow video, so just fast forwarding this. We'll be meeting after doing the eyebrows, okay? I've done my eyebrows. I would just fully my eyebrows once again. So usually on everyday basis, sometimes I don't do the so prominent eyebrows also I don't do. On everyday I don't do this because I used to do this makeup when I used to go to college, but now I don't go to college. And when I used to go to college now, I didn't used to do so much prominent brows, so I have to shoot something today after doing this makeup, so that's why I have just done it prominently. So that is that. And if you are someone who likes doing prominent brows, that's absolutely fine. You can do whatever you want. When I have a lot of time left, usually I do this makeup while in a hurry, but sometimes I also have a lot of time, so I just use a mascara. So today I'm using this Blue Heavens mascara. I will just apply it very lightly so that the teachers won't be able to know. I read in a college in which even if I wear red lipstick, the teachers won't tell anything. So I personally don't have any problem with doing makeup. I know some colleges have a lot of problems if their girls are wearing makeup. So that was not a problem for me. So personally, I can do a heavy makeup on my college also, in my college also. So that is something that is advantage. I know I'm looking a little Daravna over here, but the more weird faces you will make while applying mascara, the more better your mascara will be applied. So I would be also using mascara on my lower lash line little bit, not too much. I fear applying mascara on my lower lash line very much because once I was doing a very beautiful makeup look and my whole makeup look was ruined just because of applying mascara on my lower lash line. That's why I fear applying mascara on my lower lash line like anything. Like I fear it so much. That's why while applying it, I was becoming very tense. So if you can skip it if you want to, and if your college doesn't allow you to do this, then though you can't apply it. Usually, I also don't apply mascara on every day, but today I thought of applying because I'm at home and I would shoot other videos. And if I would just apply this mascara to my college, my teachers won't tell anything. So that's why. Okay, now we would just apply lipstick, and for lipstick I would just mix these two. Like if you see my videos you would know I use only these two lipsticks only nowadays. No other lipstick, just I don't like now no other lipsticks now. So I would just apply this I would just mention every lipstick a shade in the description box. This is a Blue Heavens lipstick. Hyperstay Weightless Liquid Matte in the shade 07 and in the shade 11. And the shade is so pretty. So just apply it. When I started doing makeup now, applying a liquid lipstick was also a task. Now that I apply it daily, so it's not a big problem for me. I'm not satisfied with one lipstick. I never satisfied with one lipstick. I just have to apply another lipstick on top. So this is a very light shade. Like this would just, if you apply this now, then also you will can't understand you applied it. This was such a beautiful shade, and I would just apply it on my inner lips. I would just apply it in tapping motion. And talking and doing a makeup is so tough. So it went out. Okay. And if your college doesn't allow you to wear such a dark lipstick, or if your workplace doesn't allow you to wear such dark lipstick, you can use a tinted lip balm or a lip and cheek tint if you want to. My college doesn't have problem if I would wear red lipstick also, so I wear red lipstick sometimes. So that was not a problem for me. So if I know people have that problem, I have heard a lot of colleges have their restrictions on like makeup, dressing, like dress code and all. So you can, if you they doesn't allow how will you wear, so you can just interchange with whatever you have. Don't have to use what I have used. So then at first at last I would just use this makeup fixing spray. This is from Swiss Beauty. I love this makeup fixing spray, so I would just use it on daily basis. I don't use this, but today I would just make other videos, so I'm just using it. So just try. Just apply it up, just spraying it all over my face, and I would just let it air dry, and just I will meet you after that. So guys, that's it. This is what I usually do while going to college. When I used to go to college, I usually did this makeup because my college didn't have any problem with me doing makeup. So that was that. If your college doesn't allow you or your workplace doesn't allow you, you have to skip makeup if it may not allow. So this is a very light makeup, very light, like this is so easy to do. I literally do this in 5 minutes. Today I had to shoot it, I have to talk, I have to tell you how I'm doing, what I'm doing. That's why there was a lot of this. Video is big, but otherwise I do this in 5 minutes. So that's it. This is how it turned out. And so you can even turn this look into a brunch party look by just applying little blush and just changing your lipstick's color, or this lipstick color will also do. So that's it. I hope you all have liked this video, and if you have liked, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and that would mean a lot to me. I hope you all are staying safe. So thank you. We'll meet you in my next video. So bye.